Hi everyone, my name is Sneha Pujara and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this realistic, affordable, everyday makeup look for college or office, wherever you are going. This makeup should survive in the Mumbai local and the heat and humidity of Mumbai as well. But the climate in Mumbai is such that it will eventually fade off after 4 to 6 hours, so please keep that in mind. After washing my face with a face cleanser, I'm going ahead and using this moisturizer and massaging it into my skin. This is a very important step, so please don't skip it. Then I'm going to use this sunscreen that was recommended to be by dermatologist. If you want to use this one, then please consult a dermatologist, or else you can use any other sunscreen like Neutrogena or Lotus. Going to apply some primer. If you don't have open pores, you can skip this step, but I have open pores near my nose and also where I had acne, so I'm just going to apply some primer. Then this is a very important step for people who have discoloration or acne scars on their face like I do. I'm using a slightly orange concealer. Orange cancels any sort of darkness, so I'm just going to apply it on my targeted areas, and you don't need a lot of product. Color correcting is just about spot correcting. You don't need to use a lot of product and turn your entire face orange. And then in just soft motions, I'm just going to pack the color there. I'm not moving it too much from one place to another. I'm just placing it on my scars or any discoloration that I have, and also on my dark circles. Now I'm going ahead with the Ace of Face foundation stick by Sugar. It is a full coverage foundation stick, but I'm not using a lot of it. You can opt for any foundation according to your skin type. I like full coverage because, as you can see, I have a lot of scars. So I'm just going to apply it and blend it with a buffing brush. I completely forgot that the foundation stick has a kabuki brush on the other side, so I went on using it. I also went on with a little product on my darker scars. I'm just blending it well. I'm taking my time with this step. Now, if you don't have dark circles, you can completely skip this step, but because I want some brightness under my eyes, I'm just applying some concealer to further conceal the dark circle. Now, to set the concealer in its place, I'm just applying some compact powder with a fluffy brush so that it stays put, and also on my acne or acne scars. Then I'm going with this contour duo. It actually had a banana powder on the other side, but it got over. But to contour, I'm just going to start from the top of my ear and stop it where my eye ends. That's actually where your contour should be. It shouldn't go all the way to your lip. This is just to give that shadow, depth, and a little bit of color to your face. I'm also applying it on my jawline because I have a double chin, so to kind of give myself a chisel look and also to warm up my face a little bit more, and blending it downward so that it gives an illusion that I have a longer neck. And then I'm just contouring my nose like you usually do. If you have a thin nose, then avoid this step. Then I'm going ahead and using this blush stick by Sugar, and I'm going to draw 2 dots on my face, and then using clean fingers, make sure your hands are clean, I'm just going to blend it upwards to give my skin a nice flushed, fresh look. I just want my skin to look nice and healthy with that color that's going on my cheek. Make sure that while you are doing this, your foundation doesn't move too much. Now, to give that healthy glow to my skin, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Contour Kit. This highlighter is beautiful. It gives a very natural glow to my face. Now, instead of using a black eyeliner, I'm opting for this beautiful brown eye pencil that glides like butter. I'm going to draw a very thin line very close to my lash line. You can opt for a black eyeliner, but I think brown kajal is so underrated. It looks extremely beautiful and simple for people who don't want that heavy black eyeliner look on their eyes. And now I'm smoking it out with an angled brush because I want a soft look, because this is an everyday makeup look. I don't want it to look too heavy. I have applied Vaseline on my lips, and then I'm lining my lips and applying a neutral shade lipstick, which is appropriate for college or for office. Then I'm applying transparent mascara instead of the black mascara to give a natural lift to my lashes. This is what it looks like. It's looking so nice, fresh, and healthy. Makeup used is extremely affordable and pocket friendly, perfect for college going girls and boys, and also for office goers who want a formal look. I am also letting my scars show through a little bit through the foundation because it's an everyday makeup look. You want to look natural and not too caked up. Let your flaws show through a little bit because this is an everyday makeup look. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then please click on the thumbs up button. Also comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.